Welcome to another video vlog, and we're gonna do unboxing. Can you guess what's inside? So we're gonna do unboxing after this break. Okay guys, can you guess what's inside of the box? I bet you're excited. I'm excited too because my husband Bjorn ordered something and I didn't know what's inside. And he said, you can unbox it for me. So are you excited? Let's unbox it. 1, 2, 3. I wonder what it is. I think it was another, maybe parts of the cameras for the vlogs, or a new telephone, or of course he was thinking to buy another vlogging gadgets, you know. So I don't know what he is, because recently he keeps looking on the camera, if there's new model, what kind of new cameras he gonna buy. So maybe that's the one, I'm not sure. So let's do it. Unbox it. Scratch it. Oh, guys! Wow! It's the newest iPhone model. iPhone 11 and was 128 gigabytes. Wow! It's color black. I'm not sure if it's color black. It's newest. This is the newest model iPhone. I've never had the newest one, but Bjorn buy me the new iPhone SE model too. I have an unboxing for this one, guys. So be sure to watch later if you haven't seen my newest iPhone SE. This is the newest one. Okay, let's open it. Still in the sealed. This is how you move it. Open it. Wow, guys, look at this iPhone. So nice. It's in black. I'm not gonna remove the protector yet because I will wait for him because it's from him. Wow, the newest iPhone 11. Oh, is it? Because this one, iPhone SE, the newest model, is also big. But I mean, it's more. Mine are more thicker. I thought compared to the newest iPhone SE, this one is, or maybe because I have a almost the same weight with no, you can see, guys, the iPhone 11 are more wider, more thicker, and more taller. Yeah, compared to my iPhone SE, the newest iPhone SE and the newest iPhone 11. And this one, compared to iPhone SE, it has triple camera. Yeah, mine only dual, one at the back and here. So this is it, the newest iPhone. It's more taller. Only problem with this is you cannot put it in your pocket easily. This one maybe, yeah, and it's a bit thinner than this one. So I will wait for Bjorn. And this is what's inside. Some of the papers, and it has charger and headphone, and of course the cord. So that's all inside. Okay guys, I hope you like the unboxing. I cannot switch it on because I need to wait for my husband to open it. He said I can do unboxing but not doing everything. Okay, thank you guys for watching. So this is the newest iPhone. See you next time.